Hello, in this video we'll explain the future perfect and the future perfect progressive. When do we use them? How to make sentences, negative and questions. So let's start with when do we use them. We use the future perfect to express an activity that will be finished, will be completed before another time or action. For example, I graduate in April and I will meet my parents in May. So by the time I meet my parents, I will have graduated, because the action of graduating will be finished before I meet my parents. Another example, I'll have my dinner at 8 p.m. and the match will start at 10 p.m. So, by the time the match starts, I will have finished my dinner. So the action of having dinner will be completed, will be finished before the time of the match. So we use the future perfect. But for the future perfect progressive, we use it to emphasize the duration of an action. So for the same example of graduating and meeting my parents, we can use the future perfect progressive like this. By the time I meet my parents, I'll have been graduating for 2 months. Another example, I sleep at 10 p.m. and my friend will come at 12 a.m. So I can say, I will have been sleeping for 2 hours by the time my friend comes home. So here we emphasize on the period of time. For 2 months, 2 hours. But in the future perfect, we don't care about the time. We understand from the sentence that the action is already finished, but we don't care about the duration of time. So how to form sentences? We start with the subject, like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Then will, after that, have, and the past participle of the verb. Then complement of the sentence. Note here, we always use have. We don't use has. Always have. And the verb always in the past participle. For example, I'll have finished my homework when the match starts. Or, he will have bought a car by age 30. We'll have finished the party by midnight. So here the action of finishing the homework, buying the car, finishing the party will be finished, will be done before this time. How to form questions? If you want to form yes/no question, we just take he will and put it in the beginning of the sentence. Will you, will she, will they, will we? And the answer will be yes, no, subject, and then will. Yes, I will. No, I won't. Yes, she will. No, she won't. Yes, they will. No, they won't. How to form WH questions? We just add WH word before will. So it will be like, well, how will he have bought the car by age 30? Why will we have finished the party? Now about the future perfect progressive. How to form sentences? For future perfect progressive, we use kind of the same format for future perfect. We use subject, will, have, but not the past participle. We use been. After that, the gerund. So for this sentence, it will be, I'll have been finishing my homework. Or, she will have been buying the car. Or, we will have been finishing the party. How to form negative? We just add not to will. So it will be, I want, she want, they want. By this, we finish the video. Watch this video to know more about the future simple. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.